I can't lie. Even though everything's been so lately, you make everything so much better.
It's because you worry so much.
Kabilang sa 7 lead cast ng pelikulang Morningside ang Filipino-Canadian actor na si Alex Malyari Jr. Gaganap bilang Josh. Hindi itinanggi ni Malyari na pamilyar siya sa kwento ng karakter, lalo't maituturing itong karaniwang pinagdaraanan ng mga kabataang lumaki sa komunidad ng Scarborough.
Josh is honestly just a kid from Scarborough trying to make a dream come true. And it's a very relatable part of the storyline because that's all of us. That was all of us just going through high school, trying to make a decision as to what you want to be for the rest of your life. And Josh had a vision for his path, and all he was doing was just try to make that happen.
It's something that's dear to my heart because I grew up in Scarborough, and I wanted to tell different walks of life and how it comes together in a community center called Morningside.
Pero bukod sa makulay na kulturang bumubuo sa syudad,
we knew diversity before it became such a buzzword.
Yeah.
You know, growing up, we knew the different cultures, and we didn't point out differences. We embraced them, and I think that's such a beautiful part of the Scarborough community.
Yeah.
layo ng direktor at writer na si Ron Diaz na maging paraan ng pelikula para mamulat ang publiko sa iba't ibang isyung hinaharap ng komunidad.
You see kind of how certain things affect each other, right? There's gentrification, there's gun violence, there's a lot of layers to this movie. It's not just, you know, a Scarborough movie.
Nais nilang baunin ng mga manonood ang mga aral na ipinararating sa bawat eksena ng pelikula.
The main purpose I wanted audiences to take from this to think, right? Think about your actions, because they have reactions. Also, for people who don't know what Scarborough is, even people that live in downtown Toronto still don't know what Scarborough is, they at least get somewhat of a window to see these lives and you know, portrayed really well.
They told a story that is so relatable without sensationalizing or glamorizing. It's one that we can walk in as people, watch the movie, and leave feeling connected to it.
Matapos ang 6 na taong pagpaplano at halos isang buwang filming, aminado naman ang kababayang aktor, isa itong pagkakataong hindi dapat pinalalampas, lalo't tsansa itong maiangat ang representasyon ng mga Pilipino sa big screen sa Canada.
It's from my hometown and I get to portray a Filipino on screen, which is such a big part of my career.
Mapapanood sa mga sinihan sa buong Canada ang pelikulang Morningside simula bukas February 21 at sa Detroit sa February 28. Paula Saraza, Omni News, Toronto.